Hi there. Today we will walk you through the panorama generation. First, go to the render page, choose Panorama in the top bar, select the right resolution, lighting template and environment in the left panel, view more details in the preview window. Adjust the camera angle. We recommend moving your camera to the middle of your room. Modify the camera height. Change FOV. Save the camera angle for the later use. Render. You can preview the effect before rendering in the preview window. That's all for today. See you next time.